Hello, my name's Ryan Clement and I'm a practicing barrister in employment law. Today I'm going to talk about protected disclosures within the context of employment, which is what a whistleblower has to make in order to be protected from suffering from a detriment or be dismissed because they whistleblow. A protected disclosure is a qualifying disclosure that is made by a worker to, for example, the employer or a body that has legal responsibility for the employer or a person working for the employer, such as, for example, for schools, doctors and social workers, it would be Ofsted, the General Medical Council and Social Work England. So, if you make a qualifying disclosure to someone outside of those bodies, as interesting as a disclosure might be to the recipient, it will not amount to a protected disclosure. Beware. So what is a qualifying disclosure? It is any disclosure of information which, in the reasonable belief of the worker making the disclosure, is made in the public interest and tends to show one or more of the following. That is, a criminal offence that has been committed, is being committed, or is likely to be committed. That a person has failed, is failing, or is likely to fail to comply with any legal obligation to which they are subject. That a miscarriage of justice has occurred, is occurring, or is likely to occur. That the health and safety of any individual has been, is being, or is likely to be endangered. That the environment has been, is being, or is likely to be damaged. Or that the information tending to show any matter falling within any one of those I've mentioned has been, is being, or is likely to be deliberately concealed. Notably, it is immaterial whether the relevant failure has occurred. So it is no defence to say that the alleged wrongdoing did not occur, so the whistleblower was fairly dismissed. No. One would still be liable if the disclosure, which would have been in the public interest, was made in the reasonable belief of the worker making it. However, a disclosure of information is not a qualifying disclosure if the person making the disclosure commits an offence by making it. So, to sum up, firstly, there must be a disclosure of information. Secondly, the disclosure must be a qualifying one. Thirdly, in order to be protected, it must be made to the appropriate authority, such as, for example, one's employer. Thank you for listening. Until next time.